Is your digital marketing working as hard as it should? Many businesses make these 5 common mistakes that hold back results. Let's fix them. Mistake 1, not knowing your audience. If you don't understand who's searching for your product or service, your campaigns will miss the mark. Utilize search data, customer insights, and performance trends to inform your targeting strategy. Mistake 2, ignoring data and analytics. Your campaigns and analytics tell you what's working, what's wasting spend, and where you can grow. Regularly review your campaign data to refine your SEO, PPC, and content strategies. Mistake 3, inconsistent branding and messaging. If your ads, posts, and landing pages don't feel connected, people lose trust fast. Keep your messaging, visuals, and tone consistent across your search ads and social channels, so your brand always feels cohesive and credible. Mistake 4, overlooking mobile users. Most people find you on their phones. If your site or landing pages aren't mobile friendly, your bounce rate will skyrocket and your conversions will drop too. Mistake 5, focusing on quantity over quality. Posting for the sake of posting or running endless ads without a strategy won't get results. Quality content informed by solid data is what drives sustainable growth. Get these 5 things right and your digital marketing will work smarter, not harder. For more tips on growing through SEO, PPC, and content, follow Zelst or contact us.